Ladies and gentlemen, greetings. Welcome to visit XCMG Excavator's Business Division. My name is Yang Chenlong, and it's my great pleasure to be a guide. Today, we're going to take a look inside our intelligent production workshop and explore the precision and the innovation of XCMG's lean manufacturing. Here we are in the mid-size excavator structure workshop, covering 33,000 square meters. And this area is designed for lean manufacturing with 8 welding lines dedicated to producing the main component of mid-size excavators. We use specialized equipment, including welding robots, modular fixtures, allowing 90% of the welding work to be robot operated. Materials are delivered directly to workstations, and our advanced fume extraction system ensures particle concentrations remains below 0.92 milligrams per cubic meter, making the environment cleaner and safer. This intelligent, flexible boom welding line is equipped with 8 world-class robotic welding systems, 3 RGV automated transport systems, and an in-house developed seam inspection system. The line, stretching 120 meters, handles all the welding tasks automatically, from the materials loading and clamping to welding inspections and transfers, ensuring excellent quality. In front of us on the right is XCMG's pioneering automated weld seam inspection system. This technology allows 100% defect identification, ensuring that only top quality booms make it to the market. And now, we are going to introduce you the machining workshop, which spans over 60,000 square meters. This space features 12 advanced CNC machining centers with a scanner system for digital measurement, enhancing accuracy and productivity. As is shown in the video, you will see 4 horizontal boring and milling machines with a precision of 10 microns, about 1/10 the width of human hair, improving our product's rotational stability. Safety is prioritized with infrared laser scanning to protect workers in the buffer and work zones. This double-sided milling center has a dual CNC systems and large capacity tool magazines, supporting the diverse, high-volume processing needs of the production line. Our unique laser alignment and on-machine measurement technology maintains positioning accuracy within 0.2 millimeters, setting new standards in quality and efficiency. In the past decade, artificial intelligence has driven a golden age of growth, and XCMG has seized the moment with workshop number 3, where we have established 4 new flexible welding lines and China's first dedicated wheel excavator assembly line, leading the industry in automation. Now, please follow my lead into workshop number 3 to experience the beauty of intelligent manufacturing. Ahead is the first automated wheel excavator line in China, which supports machines ranging from 6 to 21 tons with an annual capacity of 3,000 units. Advanced technology addresses 7 major assembly challenges, enhancing efficiency by 80% and reducing labor by 53%. On our left, the upper assembly lines features PBS logistics, a first in the industry, with the EMS technology for overhead transport, saving 1,400 square meters of space and increasing efficiency by 50%. To our right is the highly automated undercarriage assembly line. This industry-leading line for wheel excavators features fully automated tire installation, with robotic unloading, sorting, and storage. Tires are delivered via rollers and elevators, undergoing a high-altitude journey before pre-installation. Ladies and gentlemen, our tour of the intelligent production workshop at XCMG is coming to an end. XCMG Excavators always follows a customer-first philosophy, using our quality and service to support your success. We wish you all the best in your life and work. And please don't remember, have a wonderful day. Bye.